Hey, did you see I was hiding there? Probably not. But maybe what I have in this backpack will help with that. I've got some really cool wireless security cameras. Check this out. 2-year battery life and an AI-powered detection system. This combo has just leveled up your home security. And on top of that, the price will surprise you. Hello friends, Techman Pat here, and today we're checking out 2 security cameras from Blink. The Blink Outdoor 4 and the Blink Mini 2. One is completely wireless, battery-powered outdoor camera, and the other is a compact, wired indoor camera that can even work outside. So, if you're thinking of upgrading your home security or just want to see what the cameras can do, then watch on. While here, if this video was helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get started by rolling the intro. So let's open up the Blink Outdoor 4 box and let me tell you what's inside. First of all, we get 2 high-quality Energizer AA batteries in the pack. Then we have the mount, and then we have a key that unlocks the back of the camera and also extends the angular capabilities of the mount. Included in the box, we have 2 screws. Last but not least, the Outdoor 4 camera. As you can see from the front, the lens has a rubber grommet to protect it from the elements. On the back, we have the screw which can be opened up with the key right here, and a USB-C port protected by a rubber grommet that enables continuous power with an outdoor rated power supply from Blink. With that in mind, let's get started and set up the Outdoor 4. So assuming you have downloaded the Blink app, let's set up the security system. The first thing you will need is the included Blink Sync Module 2. Simply plug the device into power with the included USB adapter and press plus in the Blink app to start adding the sync module. Your camera will open up and you'll scan the QR code on the back of the Blink Sync module. Then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your home and Wi-Fi details. A successful setup of the sync module will show a solid green and blue LED on the device. Now onto the cameras. Take your Blink Outdoor 4 and simply undo the flathead screw on the back using the included mount that doubles as a key. Insert 2 AA lithium batteries, and then on the app, tap the plus button again to add a new device. That will prompt you to scan a new QR code that sits internally between the 2 battery slots on your Outdoor 4 camera. And that's it. The app will take it from there and you'll be able to name your camera. Now that it's all set up, let me tell you about its capabilities. The Blink Outdoor 4 is a completely wireless security camera designed for easy installation and long-term reliability. Structurally, it's built really well. It feels solid and watertight. It includes a very strong mounting, and as you can see, there are no cables to manage, which makes it easy to put it in places where you don't usually put a camera. On the tech side, it records 1080p HD video with a 143-degree field of view, offering a sharp and colorful daytime image. At night, it switches to infrared night vision, which provides clear footage up to 6 meters. Overall, the video and audio quality are solid for everyday security needs. Now, speaking of audio, the 2-way audio is a standout feature, allowing for clear communication through the camera with minimal lag onto the app.
And here is what my voice sounds like when a person is at your front door speaking to you on the phone.
And here is what the person at the front door would hear when you speak to them through the mobile app.
But what makes Blink unique is its ultra-low power capability. Blink claims the Outdoor 4 can last up to 2 years on its AA batteries under normal use. It's a pretty mighty claim, and from my testing, real-world results depend on your usage, which varies. As you can imagine, if the camera is triggered frequently or live view is accessed often, the battery will drain faster. Its wide field of view makes it ideal for monitoring such large areas as farms and homestays, and its Wireless flexibility allows creative placement. So here's my suggestion on how to utilize the Outdoor 4 to take full advantage of its capabilities. In full wireless mode, it's best to mount this on the side of the house, watching a gate, maybe the driveway watching the cars, or behind the shed and then watching the fence line, or even inside a garage, areas where movement means trouble. The compact design makes it easy to mount anywhere, on a wall, a fence post, or even a gutter. This makes it an excellent choice for renters or those looking for a DIY security solution. The Outdoor 4 has an IP rating of 65, meaning it's weather resistant against rain, dust, and heat. The low entry point price and smart features that are often found on higher price competitors make for a very affordable and powerful security solution priced at around 149 Australian dollars. It's available on Amazon, and for those looking for an affordable, reliable battery-powered security camera, the Blink Outdoor 4 delivers a strong feature set without breaking the bank. Let's talk about the Blink Sync module, because to achieve all these capabilities and maintain the incredible life, we have the Blink Sync Module 2. One of the key features of the Blink Outdoor 4 is ultra low power consumption technology, allowing it to run for up to 2 years on just 2 AA lithium batteries. So rather than each camera consistently communicating with the Wi-Fi network, draining power in the process, the Sync module manages the connection, reducing battery usage and actually improving reliability. It also enables local video storage with a USB flash drive on the side. You can save recordings without a cloud subscription, making it a great option for those who want secure offline storage without ongoing fees. Now, you may be wondering then how the video data flow works. Well, when you trigger a live view, when motion is detected, or when you press record, the camera wakes up and switches to Wi-Fi to transmit the HD video. This smart power management achieves the crazy battery life as described. Now let's get set up with the Blink Mini 2. Here we have two Blink Minis, black and white. We'll unbox the white one. Oh, that is really nice and tiny. Wow. That's really small. Look at that. We've got a USB-C plug at the back. We've got the mounts here with a reset button, and we've got the camera lens up here. It also has a little rubber grommet around the outside there, and we've got a light. You can also mount it on the back here, which gives you some different mounting options. So against the wall, or just on top of a cupboard. It's got rubber grommets at the bottom, so not moving. In the rest of the box, the cable, which is a USB-C cable, and we've got the power plug. Setting up the Blink Mini is quick and easy. Since it's wired, you simply plug it into the USB-C powered adapter, scan a QR code, and it's ready to go. This is the sort of system I would trust my grandparents with. The Blink Mini 2 is a compact yet capable security camera. Despite its very small size, it captures 1080p HD video with 143 degrees field of view, making it well suitable for monitoring entire rooms. One of its best features is color night vision. A built-in LED spotlight can illuminate dark areas so recordings show full color video. Now, the built-in spotlight can be triggered by motion at night, providing that extra bit of security, or light up at dark entryways. What you will notice is that there's no need for a hub or sync module since it is a wired solution, making it one of the simplest Blink cameras to set up. The Mini 2 is a highly versatile camera with various use cases. Its small size makes it perfect for indoor security, monitoring pets, kids, or specific rooms. Some users even use it as a low budget baby camera. Now, the Blink Mini 2 is priced at around 69 Australian dollars on Amazon, making it one of the most affordable smart security cameras. Despite its low price, it offers solid video quality, two-way audio, motion detection, and Alexa integrations. The Mini 2 remains one of the best budget-friendly security cameras on the market right now. This would be a good time to tell you about the Blink subscription. With it, you get the AI-powered person detection, which helps filtering out false alerts by distinguishing between people and general motion. You also gain 60-day cloud storage, allowing you to review and save past recordings without relying on local storage. Now, Blink offers a 30-day free trial for new users, after which you can choose between the basic plan, which is $4.95 per month for one camera, or the Plus plan, which is $15 per month for unlimited cameras at a single location, which is your home. Now, let me take you through the features of the app.
The Blink Home Monitor app is the control center for managing Blink Outdoor 4 and Blink Mini 2, offering a simple and user-friendly interface to monitor footage, adjust settings, and the app allows full customization to fine-tune motion sensitivity and create activity zones, helping to prevent false notifications from things like moving trees or passing cars. When motion is detected, the camera automatically records a short motion-triggered clip which can be reviewed later. Now, the app also provides privacy controls, especially for your indoor cameras. Privacy zones allow you to block out parts of the camera's views if there are areas you don't want to monitor. If you use Alexa-powered devices, the app allows for seamless smart home integration. You can use voice commands to pull up live camera feeds on your Echo Show or Fire TV.
Hey Alexa, show me the front door camera.
Now, for added convenience, the app includes a snooze notification feature which lets you temporarily mute motion alerts. This is really useful when you're having guests over or working in the yard, going back and forth, so you're not bombarded with unnecessary notifications. So here are my final thoughts. We're living with these for a couple of weeks now. The Blink Outdoor 4 and Blink Mini 2 serve different purposes, but share similar strengths. They're easy to set up, affordable, and well integrated with Alexa. Now, the Outdoor 4 is best for wireless, long-term outdoor security, offering weather resistance and extremely long battery life. The Mini 2, on the other hand, is better for indoor use or covered outdoor areas, providing continuous monitoring and color night vision. Both cameras offer great value for money with the option to expand their capabilities via the Blink subscription. So in my opinion, for users looking for an affordable, no-fuss security solution, Blink cameras strike a great balance between features and price, especially for those already in the Amazon Alexa ecosystem. So, big thanks to Blink for sponsoring this overview. Links below where you can buy them on Amazon Australia. If you like this overview, then tap the like button and let's speak in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in another one. Bye!